How to remove recently played on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove or delete your recently played list on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now first I'll just open up my Spotify and log into the account real quick here. Once you're logged in, if you have been listening to a particular number of songs there, it'll be shown up at your recently played list, right? How you can access it, you can simply head into your profile on Spotify and you can see listening history. In my case, I just signed in, so there is no any history yet, as you can see. So unfortunately there is no option to delete the recently played list on Spotify, but there is an alternate way. What you can do is you can simply tap on your profile on the screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings, you want to scroll all the way down below and then tap on log out. Now logging out works the trick for removing your recently played list. If you log out of your account on Spotify and log in back inside, then your recently played list will be cleared. So this way you can remove the recently played on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.